In today's real estate exam prep video, I'm going to show you how to number sections within a township. So let's get started. Now, anytime you get a question like this on your exam, the first thing you need to do is take your pen, your scratch paper, and draw a big old square. And then within that one square, which represents a township, we draw 36 individual unnumbered boxes. That's step one to solving this problem. As you can see, I've provided a sample on your screen there. The square itself is a township, and then I've included 36 unnumbered sections within that township. That is step one. Now, before we go to step two, understand something. When I see students work these type of problems, when they miss the problem almost every single time, it's a result of them not numbering the sections correctly within that township. And let me just illustrate what I mean. On your screen, I have 1 through 36 representing 36 sections within that one township. We are taught from kindergarten on to read and write from left to right. So naturally, your instinct when you have your unnumbered boxes within that township, the first thing you do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, moving left to right. When you get all the way to section number 6, then you come back down to the left and start 7, 8, 9, 10, working left to right. That is the pattern because that's the way we've been trained since kindergarten. If you do that on this problem, you're going to get the wrong answer, but you're going to think you got the right answer. Now, let me show you what I mean here. Let's take a look at section 22. On your screen, section 22 is located directly below section 16. So you look at your question. Section 22 is directly below section 16. 16 is a potential answer. That's B, letter B. You go, great, I got the right answer. You click B, you think you got the right answer. You move on to the next question, only to find out that you missed it. It's very important that you correctly number the sections within that particular township. Let me show you what I mean. Now on your screen, I have correctly numbered individual sections within one township. And notice that section number 1 is located in the upper right-hand corner or the northeast corner of the township. And then we work from right to left, with number 6 being in the upper left-hand corner of the township or the northwest corner of the township. The other key thing is look where section number 7 is specifically. It is located directly below section number 6, which is contrary to how we were taught in kindergarten, reading and writing from left to right. It is really important that when you draw your township and you have those 36 unnumbered sections, that you number these correctly, starting with 1 in the upper right-hand corner and moving to the left and following that pattern all the way down to section 36. Now, a little friendly tip here. 36 and number 1 should be on the same side. You notice here, number 1 and number 36, they're on the same side of the township. If you were to do it inaccurately, they're going to be opposite one another. All right, so keep that in mind. That's a little helpful hint here. All right, so now let's answer our test question here. Section 22, here's where it's located, is directly located below section, and the right answer is section 15, which is letter A. To recap here, 2 things when you get a test question like this. Number 1, take your pen, your scratch paper, draw a box and 36 unnumbered sections. Step number 2, then number the individual sections starting with number 1 being in the upper right-hand corner and moving like a snake. Tip number 3 is number 1 and number 36 should be on the right side or the same side of the township. If they're opposite, then you have numbered them incorrectly and you need to start over. If you're going to continue studying, check out this video right here. See everybody in the next video.